talking to mommy? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Is it good? Do you like that? Huh? Is it good? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Say hello. Really? No. No way. Huh? No way. I love you. I love you. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. You think it's funny? You think it's funny? Yeah. Funny. No. So what did you do today? What did you do? Yeah? Oh my. We're trying to put 2 hands here in the mouth. 2 of them. That's too much. What are you doing? I love you. Now we're gonna show Audrey's favorite toy. I'm gonna show her and see how she reacts. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? So that's Audrey's favorite toy. I'll show you guys. Very simple. A little bunny here. Oh yes, just a little bunny. But when she sees it, oh my, who's that? Who's that? She loves it. Who's that bunny? That's Bunny Bon Bon. Giving the kissy. Yeah, that's your favorite toys. Who need toys? That's a McDonald's toys, Grandma and Grandpa. Imagine that. Oh yes. She loves it. Yeah. Who's that guy? Bunny Bun. Cuckoo. Yay. Alright, I think we have enough, huh? Alright, well. Audrey. Say bye. Stop eating your hand. You. Stop eating your hand. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright. Yeah? You talking? Okay.